Is that annoying battery light on your dashboard staring back at you? Or maybe your car is struggling to crank over. You might be dealing with a specific charging system issue known as code P0621. This code stands for Generator Lamp L Control Circuit Malfunction. Basically, your car's computer, which we call the PCEM, has noticed something wrong with the circuit that controls the generator, or as most of us in the States call it, the alternator warning light. This light isn't just a bulb, it is actually part of the circuit that excites the alternator to start charging. If this circuit is broken, your battery might not get charged, leaving you stranded. This applies to most vehicles made after 1996, like Chevy, GMC, or Pontiac. The symptoms are pretty clear. You will see the malfunction indicator lamp or the battery icon light up. In worse cases, you might experience engine stalling, a dead battery, or the engine might just shut off while you're driving. The causes can range from a simple blown fuse or a burnt-out bulb in the dashboard to a failed alternator or even damaged wiring. To fix this, you're going to need a digital volt-ohm meter and a scanner. First, hook up your scanner and confirm the code is P0621. Write down any freeze frame data, as that tells you exactly what the car was doing when the light came on. Clear the code and drive it to see if it comes back. If it does, pop the hood. You need to check the battery voltage first. It should be around 12.6 volts when the car is off. Start the engine. The voltage should jump up to between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. If it stays low, your alternator isn't charging. Check the connector on the alternator. Look for the wire that corresponds to the warning lamp. Use your meter to see if there is battery voltage there when the key is on. If there is no voltage, check your fuses. If the fuses are good, you might have a broken wire or a bad bulb in the cluster. If you have voltage but the alternator still won't charge, the alternator itself is likely the culprit. However, if everything tests out fine, including the fuses, relays, and the alternator, and that wire has good continuity back to the computer, you could be looking at a bad PCEM. But that is rare. If you're uncomfortable working with electrical circuits, take it to a professional, because messing up the wiring can fry your computer. Catch you in the next video.